Okay, now it is given that suppose a network is given like this way. This is suppose it is a class C. Second, I am taking again the 200.1.2.0 as a network ID. Now it is given that you have to divide this network in this fashion, that is into three parts. Okay, into three parts. Okay, so now you see in the previous example, if you want to divide into two parts, you need how many bit? As an name is 1 bit. If you want to divide the entire network into 4 parts, you need 2 bits. But when you want to divide into 3 parts, so basically you can think that if you will need 2 bits, because if you, 3 can be represented by 2 bits, but fact is that I do not want that. Okay, so in that case what should I do? Let us see that. Okay, now this is the scenario, that is this part will be have 128 IP address, and the remaining part will be divided into 2 and into 64 and 64. So what will be the main criteria? So 200.1.2. now this is, I am considering this part A, this is B and C, this is 128 and this is 64 and this is 64. Now considering the A part. Okay, so considering the A part, suppose you have to choose so now I will choose what? I will basically first divide this entire network into 2 parts. So when you want to divide the 2 parts, you need how many bits? 1 bit. So I choose this bit. Okay, and put it 0 over here, and remaining are 8 bit. Okay, so this is one part, and this is for the A part. Now for this part, see, another remaining is what? Another thing is remaining, that is 200.1.2.1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this part, if you consider only this part, this is 0 and this is 1. Okay, now in this part you again want to divide into 2 halves. Okay, same halves. So again I will choose for this part another 1 bit, because 1 bit can divide the entire network into 2 parts. Now forget about this. So you have this network and you want to divide this into 2 parts, so take 1 bit. So already this bit is taken, and take another bit to divide this part into 2 parts. Okay, so one will be 0 and another will be 1. Okay, so for this is for B, let us consider the 0, and for C part 200.1.2.11 4 5 6 7 8. So this will, so in this way you can divide the entire thing. Okay, now let us see basically what are the network ID and something all other. So first this is all 0, then this is 1, and up till it will go to all 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, so in that case what will be this network ID? 200.1.2.127. okay, so this is the last IP address, and what will be the first IP address? It will be 200.1.2.0. so these two things you are getting. And now consider this one. So when you consider this one, it will start with, suppose 200.1.2.10 is taken. So first IP address will be all zeros, so it will be 128. Okay, and what will be the last part? It will be, suppose we are considering this 200.1.2, and 10 is fixed and remaining are all 1 2 4 5 6 7 8. So the last address will be, for this particular case, it will be what? It will be 200.1.2.192. if you convert this part into binary, you will get 192. Now again, this starting address of this is the part B. Now this is, I am considering the part C. So C will be begin with all zeros. So starting address of the C will be, the starting address of the C part will be 200.1.2.193. it was it is 191. Sorry, I'm sorry, it is 191 and it will be 192. Okay, and ranging from 200.1.2.11 and all ones, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so it will be 200.1.2.255. okay, so this question, this particular problem can come into the question, can come in the exam. So if you are given that a particular class, we have to divide that particular network into 3 parts. What we will do, first we divide into 2 parts taking 1 bit, and for the remaining 2 parts take another bit. Here I first take 0 and then take 1, and when I divide this particular network into 2 parts, take it another bit. This is 0 and in this case this is 1. Okay, so in this case you can divide the entire network. Okay, thank you.